How to make your own radio station on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Podcasts application on your phone. You will then be taken to the Podcasts homepage. On this page, you can view and explore all the available podcast tracks. Go to the bottom panel and tap on Library. Here, tap on the three dots at the top right. Select New Station. Enter a new name for this station and tap on Save. You can now manage the station settings from here. Go to the Play option and select Manual. After that, turn on or off the Group by Show switch below. If you want to add podcasts to this station, then tap on Choose Podcasts below. And then, select the podcasts you want to add. Following these steps, you can easily make your own radio station on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.